Hello, chucking friends. Welcome to Friday Night Chucking. We're gonna make a cute little cutting board tonight. A super cute little cutting board with rise and shine, people. Rise and shine. It's Friday night. Tomorrow's the weekend. We need to rise and shine in the morning. So we are going to, I don't rise and shine. I caffeinate and hope for the best. This is the transfer that we're going to use this evening. However, we're only going to use, oops, hang on, you're talking to me. We're only going to use the rise and shine part, and we might do a coffee mug. Because I have this super cute little cutting board that we're going to put it on. So there we go. This is what we're working on. I got everything's all crooked. I apologize. I had to move a bunch of stuff around. So we're going to do sideways. We're just going to do the rise and shine part and maybe a coffee mug. Probably, yeah, one coffee mug. And then we're going to put some twine. Got some green stuff. We got some twine. We're going to zhuzh it up. We'll put those over there so you can see them. So we're going to twine, green stuff, rise and shine. Yeah, that's what we're making tonight. So welcome. Hello, Nevada Nicole. Nevada Nicole, I sent you a message. I'm not sure you got it. We got to figure out a better way to communicate. Hello, Diane. Hello, Kristen. Welcome, everybody. Alrighty. So we are going to, hey, Mr. Mike. We're going to rise and shine. I mean, I'm really kind of into cutting boards lately, and I've seen some really cool ones. Have you seen the long, skinny ones that almost look like paddle boards? I'm really kind of become addicted to cutting boards. I have no place to put one. Not a place in my kitchen to put a cutting board like this. But I don't care. I'm making it anyway. I'm just going to have to lean it up on the counter, if nothing else, because I'm just like addicted to them right now. Hello, hello, Miss Diane. Mr. Mike, Kristen, Nevada. Welcome. All right, so we're going to do it this way. We're going to do rise and shine with one coffee cup. We're going to wrap some twine around. We're going to put a little piece of greenery on here. This is what a Chalk Couture adhesive silkscreen transfer looks like. I am making Maria. I'm your Chalk Couture independent designer. Best job in the whole wide world because I'm having so much fun right now. Oh my gosh. Like, it's gotten even more fun lately because if you're friends with me on Facebook, you see I have these two friends and we're like planning like all these fun things. And it's like, you know, brought a little life back into the old chalking world to do something fun and something different with my friends that are not chalkers. Well, they're chalkers, but they're not Chalk Couture people, if that makes any sense. So, I'm rambling. I'll be quiet. We need to pick a color. So, I was thinking black originally. My kitchen isn't really a color. I know that makes like no sense, but like my kitchen table area is kind of the papayas, the mustardy yellows, kind of those real fall, pesto, kind of those real fall colors. But my actual kitchen, my kitchen counter and stuff, we've never redone, and it's almost purple. My kitchen counter is almost purple. It's like a pale gray, almost lavender. And I have this very pretty, yeah, backsplash that's irises that are purple. You know, like that periwinkle purple color. And a couple reds and yellows. So, yeah, we can't really make this to match because it will get redone at some point here. So, I really kind of like maybe papaya. Papaya will show up. It's kind of our burnt rusty orange is our lovely papaya color. One of my absolute faves. I do decorate with papaya in my home. So we could do papaya. We could do pesto. Pesto would be good. But don't you think rise and shine needs like a bright sunshiny yellow? Only it's not going to show up on the board. We could go traditional. We could, oh, you know what? Never mind. I figured it out. We're going to do Dune. Dune will show up really nicely. Dune is kind of a creamy yellow color. Or a creamy cream. It's a creamy cream color. Off-white. It'll show up very nicely. It matches our twine. We've got the green. It's super neutral. And then whatever color I decide when we redo our kitchen, it'll work. So that's what I'm going with. So I'm making Maria. I'm your Chalk Couture independent designer. Thank you for joining my live demonstration video. I make a live demonstration video every evening of the week, with the exception of Saturdays. I don't do it on Saturday. I'm always at 9 o'clock Central Standard Time right here on Facebook. I do have a Making Maria Crafty community, which many of you are members of. Thank you very much. It's kind of a fun little free group where we share ideas, we talk projects, we talk back and forth talking questions. I post bundles and specials in there. So if you're not in the crafty community and you would like to be, it's very easy. Just comment. Ooh, Nicole is saying yellow words with the papaya cup. We'll have to try that. I'm just not 100% sure it's going to show up. This is our new golden hour, which I'm in love with when it comes to yellow. It's just, it looks so much brighter on the screen. It looks so much more like bumblebee yellow on the screen when I would tell you it's really an orangey yellow. Not orangey, but, you know, it's just a dreamy yellow, and it looks so much brighter when I look at my screen than it really is in real life. But that might not be a bad combination. We'll just have to test it and see if it's going to show up on the board. Oh, this is tulip. Maybe we do tulip. I was thinking this was papaya, but it's actually tulip. I do love these colors together, and I do think that they kind of scream, hello world, wake up, right? Rise and shine. So that's what the crafty community is. I'm sorry, I got distracted. So if you would like to join that, you can comment, add me. You can go in your search bar and type in Making Maria Crafty Community. You can request to join, or you can message me, and I'd be happy to send you the link so that you can get in. It's a fun little group, I think, and we're nice. We welcome people. We're good. We're nice people. All right, so we're going to stick Rise and Shine with a coffee mug on our super cute little cutting board. So we're not doing the whole transfer. Now, don't get me wrong, I think the transfer is adorable, but I like to get creative with my transfers because that's one of the beauties of owning transfers, right? You can create it the way it's designed to be, which is gorgeous and lovely, or you can totally zhuzh it up, zhuzh it down, use words, parts, elements. I mean, just the coffee mugs would be super cute on things, right? I love that I caffeinate and hope for the best on a t-shirt. Just that part, I think just that part would be adorable. I mean, I just don't think you can go wrong with this fun little transfer. It's a B-size transfer. Our transfers come in 5 sizes, A, B, C, D, and E. All A, B, you know, the letter tells you the size. They're all the same size. If they're all B-size transfers, are 8.5 by 11, which is the size of this transfer, which makes really cute things because it's a very nice, convenient size. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip my transfer over, and I'm going to write the name of the transfer. Rise and Shine. And I've been getting all fancy and writing the year. I'm going to carefully remove my transfer from its backer sheet. Whoosh. I'm going to be very careful. My backer sheet is important. I need to keep it. I need to set it aside and save it because that is how I store my transfer. I am going to fuzz my transfer, which is simply taking my transfer and touching it to a terry cloth towel to pick up some of the lint so that my transfer is not as sticky. I'm doing that because I'm sticking my transfer on a wood surface. And you know what? We could probably get both coffee cups on. I wasn't thinking they were both going to fit, but they do look like they both fit. All right, they do. I could do I Don't Rise and Shine because that would also totally fit my life. I hate morning. Always hated morning. I'm a night person. I don't like to get up in the morning, much to my poor husband's dismay. He's had to get up with our children ever since they were little in the morning. I always got up with them in the night because I was up anyway. Yeah, but if you're ever looking for Maria, you know, midnight's a really good time for me. Although I've been trying to go to bed early. But anyway, so I think we will. I mean, we could do these 3 fun colors. We're going to throw some greens on. We've got a little twine. I do love, these are our 2 new En Vogue, fancy names, En Vogue colors. This is the En Vogue color. That means that they're seasonal. There's 5 colors that come out every season. Tulip, Golden Hour, we've got Pistachio, which it is National Pistachio Day today, so we really probably should use pistachio, but it's a very, very pretty summery, springy green. Then we have Shimmer Melon and the Shimmer Blue. Lakeshore, I believe is what it's called. It's a very pretty shimmer blue color. These are the 5 In Vogue colors. So they're seasonal. They're not here forever. They come, you know, they'll be gone. I will be shocked, however, because sometimes when a color is super popular, it sticks around. For example, guava. Guava was an In Vogue color, and it's been here permanently now because everybody loves guava. I'll be shocked if Shimmer Melon does not stick around because everybody is in love with Shimmer Melon because it is an awesome color. Okay, so I'm going to open up my chalks. I am going to stir them. These two, all the En Vogue colors, are the new formulated chalk. So they're a completely different formula than our normal chalk, or our old, I shouldn't say normal, our old chalks were. So you'll find them to be very different when you open them. They're creamy and dreamy right out of the gate. You do need to stir them. You could potentially need to add water to them. There's a couple of differences in them. They glide more like ink. So if those of you who have the older chalks versus the new chalks, they glide more like ink, and they take just slightly longer to dry. Our chalk dries super fast, so it's not like it takes a long time to dry, but they do take just a little bit longer to dry. So I think we're going to do Rise and Shine in... Oh, we need to test this. We do need to see, are we going to even see it? Or is it going to just blend in? That's how I always test when I'm concerned about a color. You can see it. It's not like super bright, but you can see it. So you can always just put the color on, you know, a part that, you know, isn't glaring in the middle, and test it out. So let's do Rise and Shine in Golden Hour. And we'll do the coffee mugs in Tulip. And we can put Dune away. Dune would be a good color, though, because it would be really easy to see. You think this is 270s? Like, am I screaming? Not 70s, like avocado, yellow, and green. We could throw pesto in, and we would totally be in the 70s. We could... Where'd papaya go? Papaya is much more orangey. So this is... Tulip is more red, papaya is more orange. No. Let's just try it. If we don't like it, we'll wash it off. Right? Right. Okay. So we're going to do Rise and Shine in Golden Hour, and the coffee mugs, for sure we'll do one in Tulip. So I take my chalk paste, I put it on my squeegee, and I simply glide it across. So like you notice right away when you get the new chalks, it just glides easier. They're less chalk-like, I guess. They still are chalk. They're just, I don't know how to explain it. They glide more like ink. It's just kind of more swooshy when you start going with it. If you're a Club Couture member, your paste packets that you got in this month's club transfer is the new formula. So you have it already. Also, if you're a club member, you're going to receive the gift. So that's what we have so far, is Rise and Shine. It's really pretty in just the yellow, but we are going to stick, well, we need a little color, right? I think let's do one, and then we'll decide if we're going to do them both in the same color. Because Tulip is really pretty. It's that orangey red. I think it's not pinky, it's red. It's Tulip. I mean, it really is like a red orangey tulip. Oh, I'm getting knocked down. Hello.
Good night, Mom. Love you.
Good night, buddy. Love you too.
Goodbye.
Thanks. Okay, so. Okay, I think we can do both of them in Tulip. It looks cool. All right, so we're just going to keep going in Tulip. It looks retro, Nicole says. Yeah, I think they're kind of retro-y colors. Retro. My grandma, you know, these, Nicole, you must be a baby. For those of us older chalkers, yeah, that's not really, we don't really consider that retro. We consider that, you know, our younger days. That's so funny. All right, I'm going to pull this off like so. I'm going to stick this in my water bath so that I can rinse it off. And voila. I did get a little bit of a bleed. That's because I didn't push it down far enough, but that's okay because we're going to cover that up anyway, or we're not really going to see it. So here is our Rise and Shine. I'm going to dry it. Just because otherwise I'll smear it more. I'm totally in love with this yellow, and I'm not a huge yellow fan. Rise and shine, people, rise and shine. So I was having so much fun today. I was planning with my friends. I'm not that young. Sure you are, Nicole. You're still a baby, Nicole. You're still a baby, Nicole. Yeah. All right, so I'm going to wrap with some twine. So we're planning a super fun event, and it's coming up in March. I have very limited spots available. So if you're interested, we're going to play with some makeup, we're going to play with nails, and we're going to make a project. So if you are curious or interested about the event, because I've been kind of posting like little teasers about it, you can let me know. So now we just got some fun little twine on here, and oops, I forgot my green stuff. But the event is coming up, so we're getting ready. And these ladies are crazy. I laughed and giggled all morning long with these crazy ladies. They're just so much fun. Oops, actually, I can just pull it off of here, I think. Yep. All right. I don't know, maybe now that we did the coffee cups, we don't need the green. And I should probably do a darker twine. Would help if I undid it. It'd be a little easier. But it's going to be a virtual event. It's like an hour long. We're going to play some crazy games. We practiced playing them today. Oh my gosh. Laugh. We laughed and laughed and laughed. So, yeah, I think we're just going to do that. I hope it's really was dry before I just stuck it upside down. Whew, saved. Okay. Now, if I had some beads, it would also be really fun to maybe tie some beads on here. But I don't have any handy. Of course, I don't have any handy. But that would be a fun thing to do, too. To put some beads on here. So this is our super fun little Rise and Shine project. Rise and Shine, I don't rise and shine, I caffeinate and hope for the best is the name of the transfer. You could totally stick some green in here if you wanted, you know. But I think the coffee cups, you don't need it. I wasn't going to put 2 coffee cups on it, so I was thinking green. But now that we did the 2 coffee cups, I think it looks just awesome the way that it is. So that's our super fun project. That's all I got for you tonight. So I don't make a video tomorrow night because it's Saturday, but I will be back at you on Sunday night. About 9 o'clock Central Standard Time is when I make, or when I go live. So come on back and check it out. Let's see what else fun things that we can make, right? Right. Have a great weekend, everybody. I will see you on Sunday night. See you guys. Thanks for watching.